Let's paint a big 14 by 22 poster with different shades of green. I got some cups and bowls of various sizes, just kind of set down where I want them. Get rid of these for now. Hunter green. A little here, some here, there, there, there. Spring green. A little here, some there, there, there. Meadow green. A little here and there and there. Citrus green. Yeah. Gloss black. Right here on this outside edge of all the planets, moons, whatever. And white on the rest. I'm going to take some grocery store ads and crumpulize them up. Yeah! Uncrumpulate them. NASA sock. Hold it down and give it a couple swipulations like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shisha. And then you gotta dabulate. Nice, 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 nice. Give it some texture. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dry it off a little bit with my heat pistol. Yeah. Sha, 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 sha. You gotta keep it moving. Don't let it sit in one place for too long. Gotta be moving. Yeah. Sha. Store brand black. Give a little bit of shadow just on the outside right there. Yeah. Careful of the fumes. I should really be wearing a mask right now, but I can't wear a mask and talk at the same time, so screw me, right? Now take that, and this, one of these, and some of those, and there. Bing. Whoop. Yoni loves Chachi. Hunter green on the outsides. Yeah. Meadow green. Yeah. Sha. Green of spring. And there. Jungle green. Right there. Key lime. Right there. Black on the outsides right here. A little bit of white right there. Now it's time to dookie out some stars, just like that. Just let them poop out. Like diarrhea. Sha, 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 sha. Clear coat. Palette knife. Fluorescent green. Right here. Block off the bottom. Now hit it with some clear coat right here on the bottom. Now we're going to do some lines with a putty knife. And white right there. Make sure to singulate your work. Yeah, 23. Boom shakalaka kaka. It's freaking dope, son.